Okay, today is December 26th, 2020. Just posting a little update. So, some of this stuff is growing in a little bit more. Still don't know if that's grass or... I think that's grass, I'm going to be honest with you. Garlic's coming in nice, you know. Oh, what the heck happened here? Look how squiggly this one is. You see this thing? Look how squiggly that is. What the heck is going on with that? That's weird. What the heck? The new stalk is growing squiggly too. Whatever's going on there, that's weird. Yeah, I mean, you know, they all come out bent, right? It's because they have to grow through this hay. So they start growing out like that. But they're doing fine, A couple leaves are yellowing, but on the whole, they're doing fine. We still have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This could be, I mean, there's like 2 stalks here. It could be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there's also some weird stuff. Like, here's another thing growing right here. I don't know if it's grass or... I think it's grass. I really do think it's grass because the same shape of thing is growing in multiple different areas. There's this thing as well, again. Could be grass, could be carrot, I don't know. Oh, so you can see this right here. A couple days ago, we had a sprouted onion and some potatoes that were sprouting as well. So we just put them in here a couple days ago. So this was just some leftover onion scrap that I thought, well, you know, I might as well put it up there to put some fertilizer. It's just so you could use something. But here you can see is one part of the onion sprout that I planted in this garden. We planted some potatoes around here too. They're under the hay. I didn't even put them in the dirt. I just put them right down on the ground. There's lots of different potatoes and onions in this area too. I don't know where though. Here's the main onion. I mean, look at that. That's really a chunky boy right there. Woo! Man, that's chunky. Sheesh, look at that thing. I'm gonna cover it up a little bit more with some hay. So, you know, the onion's got some area to grow. Because I do be seeing that onion. Alright, there we go. Ain't that nice? Okay. The radishes, I mean, pretty much, I don't know. Something ate them. I don't know. Oh, I think maybe we should just dig those radishes up. Maybe next week or something. Everything else in my mom's garden is dead. And like I said, put some potatoes in here. I don't know where. We just kind of moved some hay around and put the potatoes down on the ground and let it loose. Wait, is this one right here? No, it's a piece of tree. But that's how it is right now. Just wanted to give an update. Planted some onions. Planted some potatoes. I don't even know where. I think we put one potato here as well. I don't even remember. We put ginger there. And potato, I think. And potato. But still, it's mainly the garlic. It's a garlic garden. Alright.